I should be studying right now because I have like a billion assignments for class, but I haven't uploaded in like a week, and so everyone on YouTube is going to hate me and my channel will die. So today we're going to be talking about cryptocurrency. Yay! Make sure to subscribe to Crypto Nerd. Now today, what we're doing is I'm going to be showing you a cool trick to kind of understand maybe why some of your altcoins are not doing good and kind of identify how some altcoins might do in relation to other altcoins. So make sure to subscribe because no one else is giving you such good information. Subscribe to Crypto Nerd. He's the best. So guys, this is a site called CoinGecko. If you've never heard of it, this is just like a giant like data aggregator site where you can look up all sorts of information. And I know it looks crazy, but like don't worry, that's why you're watching me and not doing this yourself. So basically, altcoins have been correcting for like a couple months now, especially after this DeepSeek announcement. Everything exploded and everyone's like, Bitcoin's down like a tiny little bit. It's down like 4.5% in the last week, so the bull run must be over. I should sell everything and cry. But I'm here to tell you that's not true. I'm also here to tell you that, yeah, I know altcoins kind of got hit pretty bad, especially like Trump coin. I know a lot of people were into that. So I'm going to show you something kind of cool. So not all cryptocurrencies are made equal. Here's a big thing. There's things called layer ones, and there's also things called layer twos. There's also coins versus tokens. Let's just take a look at Bitcoin, for example. A layer one, so Bitcoin's a layer one, it means it has its own blockchain. So Bitcoin has its own blockchain. So the only cryptocurrency on the Bitcoin blockchain is the Bitcoin like coin. Okay, so Bitcoin does well, and then it just goes up and down. Nothing crazy happens here. But Ethereum is a different kind of layer one. Ethereum, stop lagging, is a layer one that allows people to create tokens on Ethereum. So think of Ethereum like this giant island, let's say, and anyone can like plant trees on this island, let's just say. So basically, when Ethereum, there's lots of different coins and meme coins on Ethereum. When Ethereum does good, all the tokens on Ethereum do good generally. When Ethereum does bad, all the coins on Ethereum do bad. And Ethereum has been doing quite bad. Last like month it got hit pretty bad, but it's fine. It just looks like from your perspective, a lot of your Ethereum coins or tokens rather have been hit. Just being technically right, have been hit pretty hard. Some of my favorite coins that I'm holding big positions of, they've been correcting really, really hard, but welcome to crypto. It's part of the game. If you really want like euphoria, you gotta be, if you want the rips, you gotta be able to handle the dips. So, and then there's also Solana. Solana, you guys have probably heard of. If not, it's kind of like Ethereum, but it's supposed to be like an Ethereum killer by being faster and better and cooler. This also got hit pretty hard. So a lot of Solana coins did pretty bad. Now, let's talk about like more stuff that like more like pertinent stuff that you probably care about. So let's go straight to Trump coin. And I'm going to show you something cool. If you go to CoinGecko, then up here you can just like search whatever coin you want. But sure. Let's just do it. Let's go to Trump coin. As you see, Trump coin is at $28. That is like down a lot from what it was like a couple weeks ago, really. Over 50% down. But if you scroll down here to where you see chains, you can see what blockchain it's on. So main ones right now are Ethereum and Solana. This one is on the Solana blockchain, because you can see right here, right? So when Solana does bad, Trump coin is also going to do bad. Why? That's just how it works, okay? That's just how it's been since the beginning. Again, if you think of Solana as an island, and let's say the whole island is doing bad, the whole ecosystem is doing bad, all the trees are going to be affected poorly. Okay, so if you're really, really bullish on Solana, what you can do, you can try to find altcoins that are on the Solana chain and pick those up. Because if Solana does well, coins on Solana will probably do even better. But if it does bad, they're going to bleed harder also. Who is texting me? Why am I getting a text? I want to show you something else that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and go to Chainlink, right? Another big coin. I don't know if you've heard of this. Many of you probably have. Check this out. What chains? There's so many. If we take a look at all of these, you can see that it's on like, okay, I have to not highlight this. It's on it's on like a gazillion different chains. So when Ethereum or Solana is doing really, really well, either one, Chainlink can also get a bonus from that. So what a strategy is that a lot of people do is people will find coins that are on like a lot of different chains, and then that's basically you get the best of all worlds, kind of. Another one that I think is an altcoin that I think has a lot of potential right now, SPX 6900. If we take a look at this, it is on the Ethereum ecosystem, but also on Solana and also Base ecosystem, which is a new one that was just launched by Coinbase. Some people are like, oh, it's going to be the next BNB. So hey, that's another one that hits a lot of good chains. It's under 1 bill market cap, and its price chart is looking really, really good. Very clear, higher highs, higher lows, as you can see. So that's something that you can look at. Now you know how to find altcoins on different chains, see what chain they're on, and you know, okay, my Trump coin is doing bad because Solana is doing kind of bad right now. But obviously Solana is going to do much better. We still have a whole year. No, the bull market's not over. Trump's been in office for a week roughly, and everyone's like, Solana will recover. Trump coin will recover. I absolutely still think everything's going to be very, very good in full swing. I'm going to do some really quick charting, even though a lot of you get freaked out by it. Okay, here is the Bitcoin price chart. Now, I know you probably have no clue what's going on, and you're like, this is scary. I'm bored. I don't like looking at this. Here's all you have to know. You want to see it trending upward. You want to see it goes up, and then it goes down. But when it goes down, it's higher than it was before. And then it goes up higher than it was before, and so on. And that is what we're seeing lately. We also had this like breakout lately. You can see that we have set a high here, then a high here, and then another high here breaking out. And it had this a wick down here, and everyone freaked out and said, the bull market's done. Panic. But it quickly came back, and it's back over 100K, and that's not even a lower low. So Bitcoin is looking great. If we'll take a look at the total market cap, which is the whole market cap of all of crypto. This is all cryptocurrencies combined, looking great. We did set a higher high. This one's not as clear. This is right now a lower low, rather a higher low, but this is kind of looking a little, double top. So mixed signals, not really sure, but it is a higher high as of right now and a higher low. So right now, nothing to be too freaked out about. Same thing over here. We are just setting, here we go, higher high, higher high. And so far this is a higher low. So we are happy. Everything's looking good here. Same thing here. Total 3 is looking good. Guys, this is everything except Bitcoin and Ethereum. Well, same thing, looking good. The only thing that's not looking so good is altcoins. Altcoins are making lower lows, which is not good. It means altcoins have not been doing that well, but obviously we both already know that, right? You can look at your portfolio. You can see, okay, yeah, we're in this kind of like correction phase right now, hurting a little bit, but that's the name of the game. This will have a moment where it does go back up. Yeah, look at this. Altcoin dominance has absolutely crashed since early December. Really, really bad. But that's part of the game. We are not quite at altcoin season quite yet, but that should be coming up soon. Ethereum is looking ready to break out. Actually, if we take a look at this, it's filling out this descending triangle, which is a bad sign, I gotta say. But it's been holding the support really, really well. I don't know. I think a breakout like this is absolutely likely, or rather possible, even though it's generally not as likely with these kind of patterns. But I really don't think Ethereum's going to lose 3K. And if it does, it won't lose like 28K. It won't be that bad. So I'm fine with that. Solana, same thing. Actually, Solana's looking really good right now. It's set a new new all-time high. So everything is looking really, really good to me. This is just part of it. Other coins on Ethereum have been hit pretty bad. Arrow, one of my favorites, got hit really, really bad. I think Jupiter had a really good couple days. Yeah, it had a good few days. You can't really tell because it's been sideways since its inception. But I know people on Twitter are happy about that. Anyway, you should join our Discord. Link is in the description. We have just got our first prototype of the market reports out. And so every single day, the AI trading assistant automatically gives you a market report and different indicators and tells you whether you should buy or sell. And right now it's saying it's got 3 sells, which is, it's a little spooky. But as you know, a lot of these indicators don't do as well in like these choppy phases. So sure, maybe sell a little bit, maybe wait a little bit. We're not really sure. Market's chopping, but the whole year looks great. We also have this amazing resource where you can do /info and then any coin. Let's do Trump coin. Actually, I've never done that one. I don't even know if that's the correct ticker. Yeah, I guess not. Okay, fine. Let's just do something boring then, like Bitcoin, and it'll give you a full description of it. So now you can use any coin. You actually know what you're buying. Gives you details about it so you can make a more informed decision. And we have a built-in tokenomics rating system, which there's no way this is right. I don't think Bitcoin is a 100 out of 100 actually. Let me check XRP just to make sure. Oh, not Bitcoin XRP /info XRP. Yeah, I don't know why it's giving Bitcoin a 100 out of 100. But anyway. Yeah, so, and you have a built-in rating system, works on any coin, but guys, it does cost money to become a member, but you should pay me anyway so I can buy more Bitcoin. Hope this helps. Hope you're not as absolutely freaked out and panicked. Thanks for watching.